this case now, you'll get log 3500 divided by log of 2, and you get 11.77 in this case. Okay, t equals to 11.77. months. Now, let's say, okay, let's say that, what was I going to say? Now, let's say that instead of giving you this 35,000, okay, let's say they don't give you that, and instead it says it doubles every hour for, and they add something like for, I don't know, whatever, let's say 6 hours, for 6 hours. Then you just plug in 6 into t and spit out the final number. That's it. Okay, so that's even easier actually. You don't have to solve backwards, you just solve forwards. You just freaking plug in that 6 that I just made up right over here. Okay, just plug in this 6 into t and spit out whatever the final number is. Okay. Now, example 4 is just basically another knockoff example 3. Okay, we're going to use the same formula over here. Okay, where we get final. Final is initial. Initial times r to the power of t. Okay. So now final is going to be 1. Okay. And let's throw that with blue over here. Let me take off this slash because that may confuse you later on. Now your final is 1. Boom. Boom. Okay. Your initial is 5. Boom. Yellow. Okay. 5 grams. Your R, because it's a half-life, your R is going to be, I'm going to choose to use the 1/2 version of writing it. Okay. And that's going to be pink. Okay. And T, there you go. Okay. All right. So that 20 days, is just kind of extraneous. It's a little bit deceiving, honestly. But let me just double check that. Let me double check that. Boom, boom, boom. No, it's not. I'm tripping out. Sorry. Every 20 days. Every 20 days means you pick 1/20. Okay. Or 20. Okay. Now in this case, every 20 days is less frequent, so you're going to pick the 1/20. Okay, it's going to be 1/20 as your exponent. 1t/20 is going to be your exponent, and that's going to be green. Like that. Okay, and you basically just solve backwards. Okay, so let's see if I can do this quickly. I'm going to get 1/5 equals to 1/2 to the power of t/20. Log up both sides. Move that over. Okay, and you're essentially going to get, you're essentially going to get log of 1/5 over log of 1/2 equals to t over 20. Whatever you get on the left side, multiply by 20, and you basically get t. Okay? And you get 46 days. T is roughly equal to 46.44 days. Okay? All right. So I want you guys to go ahead and do these problems right over here. Whoops. Let me stop this video first.